Good morning, guys. Today's vlog will be on how I spend my whole day in quarantine. So I hope you'll understand my situation. I'm really bored. From last 2 days I'm in quarantine, but today I'm going to make whole day vlog what I do. Okay, I hope you like it. So please watch this video till the end. And cruising with Goldy. So the first thing I do is brush my teeth as usual. So this is the washroom. And by the way, I'm going to make a video on like what cabin I'm staying. This is a passenger's cabin, but still I will make a video so you'll understand how the passengers also stay on board. So right now, my first thing is this: I need to brush my teeth. This is a light. Let there be a light. Ta-da! I bought it from home. Guys, I'm done with brushing my teeth. Now what I need to do, I need to wait, and I'm waiting for my breakfast. Yes, very soon I'll be having breakfast. The timing is between 8 to 8:30. Now the time is 7:30, so within half an hour. So I will see you after half an hour. Ciao. So guys, it's 8 o'clock and my breakfast is there. There was a knock on my door. So what I need to do quickly, wear my mask and bring my breakfast inside. Don't worry, I'll show it to you what all I'm having, okay? Okay, let's see what we have. I asked them for a hot milk. Now this is hot milk. I don't know how hot is it. Fork and knife and all. There's a bread and butter or something you can say. Now what we have here, we have an English breakfast. You can see this is potato, tomato, mushrooms and eggs. Okay. Some fruits, raisin bran. I love this. Now this is also puppets, what do you say, Fruit Loops, and milk. I love milk, but I want skim milk. I don't want to get fat. So do you want to also eat with me? So you are invited. So let's eat. So guys, really tired. I mean tired as in I'm just closed in one room. I cannot go out. Though the view is good, you can check. The view is very beautiful, but still I'm not able to meet anyone, meet new people, start my work. So I am getting little depressed, you can say. But at the same time my lunch is there. Let me check what is there in the lunch. So the lunch has come, and the lunch is rajma chawal. Just a close look. So I will quickly have my lunch, and then I need to do lots of training of RCL, Royal Caribbean. So I'll be busy. Actually, I was doing all these trainings only. So I will take some break, have food, and then again start with the training. Bye. So guys, I have finished my training. There was a training for 4-5 hours. I was doing that training. Now I will just show you some of the beautiful view of ocean, and I'll take a bath and then I'll wait for my dinner. So there is not much I'm doing it in my quarantine, but after quarantine there will be heck of a work because this is a huge ship. So there will be a lot of work. dinner has come, so I will go ahead and eat dinner. So let's see what is there in a dinner. Ta-da! It's a fried rice. So well guys, this was my day. All is left is to finish this dinner and go on my bed and sleep. But I won't sleep because it's just 8 o'clock now. I want to be awake more 2 hours so I will get out of this jet lag. So I will see you in my next vlog. Then stay tuned with Cruising with Goldy. Bye.